In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to load legal size paper for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series. To begin, let's remove all the paper from the input tray. In order to load legal size paper, you need to extend the tray. And here's how. There's a button over here where you need to press and you can pull out the tray. The tray is now extended to support legal size paper. So let's take a stack of legal size paper and load it in. Push back the tray. We need to do a modifier of paper change. Select the size to be legal and done. With legal size paper in the input tray, you can see that the tray will be protruding out, and this is perfectly normal. So you can now print legal size documents with the legal size paper loaded in the input tray. So this is how you load legal size paper for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series.